If you are looking for a side hustle in 2025 that leverages AI, you are not alone. Most of my clients ask me for such ideas. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 simple AI-powered businesses that you can start on your own with minimal setup and huge profit potential. These ideas require low investment, little to no prior experience, and believe me when I say people will pay you to do these tasks instead of using AI to do those tasks themselves. So if you're ready to take action, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification icon so that you can be notified every time I release a new video, and smash that like button, and let's get started. Now, the first one that I want to talk about is providing AI-powered resume and cover letter services. Job seekers today struggle to stand out, and with application tracking systems filtering resumes, most people really don't know how to optimize their applications so that it reaches the recruiter and someone who is human reviews their resume or the cover letter. While AI tools like ChatGPT can generate top quality resumes and cover letter in minutes, here is why people will pay you instead of doing it themselves. They don't understand how to format documents properly such that it passes ATS. They want a personalized professional touch, and they simply don't have time. You can offer resume writing, cover letter creation, and even LinkedIn profile optimization. You can charge anywhere between $50 to $200 per resume, $30 to $100 for a cover letter, and $50 to $150 for LinkedIn optimization. You can also package all these 3 services, and you can charge anywhere between $150 to $350 for this work. And you do need some skills to succeed in providing these services. You'll need knowledge of resume formatting. You need to understand how to optimize for ATS. You need to have strong writing skills along with the ability to use AI tools like ChatGPT. Now let's talk about the next side hustle, which is providing or creating AI-generated social media content. Brands today, they need consistent, engaging content to stay relevant, and AI tools can help generate captions, they can help generate images, and even full-on videos very quickly. This industry is growing rapidly. But here's why business owners won't do it themselves. They don't have time to learn AI tools. They need consistent branding, and AI content still needs that human touch to make it engaging. And that's where you come in. You can use ChatGPT, Canva, or CapCut AI to create Instagram posts, TikTok videos, and even YouTube scripts. You can charge anywhere between $25 to $100 per post, $50 to $150 per video, or offer full social media management for anywhere between $500 to $2,000 per month. To be able to do this work well, you'll need to have some content creation skills and the ability to engage with the audience through storytelling and branding. So this side hustle is ideal for people who are already in marketing roles or content creation roles. Now let's move on to the next side hustle. The next one is to provide AI-powered voiceover or audiobook services. Now, audiobooks, podcasts, and explainer videos all need voiceovers, and AI-generated voices now sound so real. But most people, they don't know how to edit and fine-tune AI-generated voices, and they need a professional to come in to oversee that process. This is where you fit in. You can use tools like Murph or 11 Labs to create high-quality voiceovers, offer audiobook narration, and even provide YouTube voiceovers. You can charge anywhere between $25 to $75 for short voiceovers, $100 to $300 per audiobook narration, and anywhere between $50 to $200 for YouTube video voiceovers. To be successful, you'll need skills in audio editing, understanding the pacing and vocal delivery, and proficiency with AI tools like Murph and 11 Labs. So if you're already into audio editing, or if you're already into media services, this is a perfect side hustle for you because you already have the basic skills that you require to be successful in this side hustle. Okay, so this one is my personal favorite, and this is creating or setting up AI chatbots for small businesses. Customer support is expensive and businesses want to automate the process. The problem is they don't know how to train AI chatbots, integrate them into their websites, or even to maintain them. And you can offer AI chatbot setup and management for local businesses, e-commerce stores, and coaches. You can use Chatbase or ManyChat to build these chatbots and charge a setup fee of anywhere between $100 to $500 and a monthly maintenance fee of anywhere between $50 to $200. For custom integrations, you can charge anywhere between $500 to $1,000 per chatbot. This is a very lucrative business right now, and if you have the basic understanding of how chatbots work, this is a perfect side hustle for you. AI is today impacting every aspect of our lives. So for those who are interested in health and wellness, AI-powered personalized meal plans and workout plans are a huge opportunity. People love tailored advice, but they don't know how to input the right data into the AI tools to get the right kind of plans. They'll pay you to create custom meal plans, personalized fitness routines, and even macro tracking reports. Charge anywhere between $50 to $200 for one-time plan, or you can also offer subscription models ranging anywhere between $30 to $100 per month for ongoing plans. Now, to succeed in this niche, you'll need knowledge of nutrition and fitness principles, ability to interpret data, and client relationship management skills. Now, you might ask that what is wrong with the existing subscriptions that are already available on apps like MyFitnessPal or Noom? The difference over here is that this is hyper personalized. What you are providing is hyper personalized. Today, if I input aloo gobi or potatoes and cauliflower curry in Noom or MyFitnessPal, I do not get the right calories. The calories are based on prepackaged stuff that's available. The value that you'll be bringing in is personalizing those meal plans and tracking the macros differently. And finally, let's talk about AI-powered YouTube thumbnail and video editing services. With YouTube booming, content creators need eye-catching thumbnails and well-edited videos. AI tools like Runway and Canva can speed up the process, but creators lack design skills or they don't have time to do it themselves. Being a YouTube creator, I know how much of my time goes in doing the research for my new ideas, and I really don't have any time left to edit my videos or to create thumbnails. And that's why the businesses that provide thumbnail design, video editing, and content repurposing services to YouTubers and businesses, they're booming right now. You can charge anywhere between $20 to $50 per thumbnail, $50 to $200 per video editing, or you can also offer full channel management starting anywhere between $500 to $2,000 per month. Skills for this hustle include proficiency in video editing, graphic design, and understanding of the YouTube SEO. So there you have it, 6 AI-powered business ideas that require minimal setup at your end. They have real demand because people don't want to learn or manage AI tools themselves. By offering these services, you can charge competitive rates and build a lucrative side hustle while honing your skills. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite idea. I'll see you next week with yet another video. Till then, have a successful week. Bye-bye.